I can't. He's too hot.
Yes,
Wait,
go
I'm
on.
going to take my shirt off. Oh, that's a hot one.
Thank you again. We should use these.
Are you gonna smoke it or what?
Happy birthday,
I'm
Sarah.
kind of afraid for my
Happy
eye.
birthday. We're going to make you a Cheeto cake. What'd you guys do on Thanksgiving?
Oh, look. It's going to drip.
Oh, watch the parade.
Look, it's going to drip, Margaret.
Ew, gross.
Ew.
I don't know what's more disturbing, the Cheeto or Kevin's face.
We rolled down the hill. Oh, no. And then we lit Cheetos on fire. Why? What did you guys do?
Oh, there it is.
Oh,
Ew. Can you just put it in my mouth?
Yeah, come here.
Oh,
Come here. Let me put it in your mouth.
no way.
Please, Margaret. Please.